Do you want to remove unwanted objects from your photos in a snap? Snapedit is a free online AI photo editor that can help you do that and more. In this video, we will show you how to use Snapedit to remove unwanted objects from your photos in 4 easy steps. First, go to the Snapedit website and upload your photo by clicking on the Upload Photo button. You can also drag and drop your photo into the frame or paste it from your clipboard. Second, choose Object Remover from the list of features on the left side of the screen. This feature will help you remove unwanted objects from your photo using Snapedit's AI. You can also use other features like Eraser, Enhance, Sky, Background, and Filters to edit your photo further. Third, click on the object that you want to remove from your photo and wait for Snapedit's AI to detect and erase it. You can also adjust the brush size and hardness to fine-tune your selection. You can undo or redo your actions by clicking on the icons at the bottom of the screen. Fourth, preview your edited photo by clicking on the Preview button at the top right corner of the screen. You can also compare the before and after images by dragging the slider in the middle of the screen. You will be amazed by how Snapedit's AI can remove unwanted objects from your photos seamlessly. Finally, download your edited photo by clicking on the Download button at the top right corner of the screen. You can choose to download your photo in JPG or PNG format and adjust the quality and size as you wish. You can also share your photo directly to your social media platforms by clicking on the icons below the Download button. That's it! You have successfully used Snapedit to remove unwanted objects from your photo in a snap. Try it yourself and see how easy and fun it is to edit your photos with Snapedit.